Hi there, fellow explorer. Today, we're embarking on thrilling adventure into the world of the Bash Shell. Get ready to be amazed. It all started with a simple key store controlled Alt T. The window that appears, it's your gateway to a realm of command line wonders. Now, let's dive into the basics. First up, there's PWD, your computer GPS. It tells you exactly where you are in the file system. Next, we have LS, like banking into a room before entering. It lists all files and directories in your current location. Need to move to a different room? Just use cd and specify the directory name. Yeah, it's that simple. Every command is like a sentence. The command is the action, like a verb. Options are adjectives, and arguments are the object. Ready for some hands-on actions? Use cd and the special character to go to your home directory. Then ls to explore the contents. Can you spot the documents or downloads? Want a detailed view? Try ls-l. It's like turning on a magnifying glasses. See the difference? Feeling curious? Type man ls to access the command guidebook. You're not just starting, you're already on the way. The Bash shell is your canvas, waiting for your creativity. Until our next time, keep exploring, keep playing, and most importantly, keep having fun.